Hello my friends, Habib here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share an experience with you while about building the Unity games using Xcode. In this case I've tried to build my Unity game, and tried to export it to Apple App Store Connect. But I found this problem. It says that my game has invalid bundle. The bundle at blah 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 contains disallowed file, frameworks, and so on. So I've done some googling and I found a solution that is very simple. Here in your project, in your Xcode, click this one, Unity Framework. Click this one, Unity iPhone. Then here you will see Unity Framework. Click it and go to the build settings and scroll down. Here you have this option, always embed Swift standard libraries. You need to choose no, and then you can try to build it again, archive it, and then send it to App Store Connect. I will show it to you, the process of uploading. Okay, in this step I'm going to re-upload my archive. Previously I did upload it, but it was failed because of that framework problem. Now after fixing it, I'm going to distribute the app, and let's see. Next, and I'll just keep it. The next step is upload. Just click upload button. The upload progress is now completed. Now it is done without problem. Okay guys, so if you got the same error like that, the solution is just simply set this option, always embed Swift standard libraries, to no, and that's all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.